Now we are going to understand the pattern, second level patterns. This is second level patterns where we are to print this particular pattern 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how can we do this particular thing? Again, we'll convert this particular thing into rows and columns. Same process, please. Same process we are going to do here. This is what happens. Now I am going to convert into rows and columns. If you observe carefully what is happening here, it is right. And I also write some row numbers and column numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore this is I, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what J. Okay, right. But what is the problem here? It is, if you observe carefully what is happening in this case, see here, in this particular first row, only one column of numbers you are printing. In the second row, if you see second row, only two columns of numbers you are printing. Third row means three columns. Okay. Fourth row means four columns. Fifth row means five columns. Okay. This is what happens here. So the number of columns for each row, that is what changing. So how you write this program? First of all, let me write here. Let me explain how it is going to work. So I is equal to 1 to 4, 1 to 5, and j is equal to 1 to 5. So let me write for I is equal to 1 to, okay, 1, I is less than is equal to 5, and I plus plus. So this is a normal program only. So j I write here for j is equal to 1, j is less than is equal to what? I will tell you, j plus plus. Okay, then I am going to write SOP. Okay, SOP j we are going to print, and here SOP println we will be writing. Yes, but what is happening here? It is, if you observe carefully in this particular thing, this is what you have to understand. So number of columns means this j depends upon the row. See, if I is equal to 1, j should print only for one time. J should run for one time. If I is equal to 2, j should run for two times. See, two times. 1, 2. Okay. If I is equal to 3 means this j should run for 3 times. 1, 2, and what? 3. Like this. Got it? So this j should be what? J should be 1, and j should be less than is equal to I. Okay, less than is equal to I. So j should run up to what? I only. I means row number. So how many number of columns you are printing means, how many number of columns you are printing is, that depends upon the I. I means row number. That depends upon the row number. Therefore j is equal to 1, j is less than is equal to I. That's what this is what you have to, okay, do. Now how? Let me show you the execution and show you the output. See what is happening. This is I variable, this is j variable. Okay, I, what is I value? First time is 1. 1 is less than is equal to 5. Yes, true. Okay, goes into the for loop. J is equal to 1, j is less than is equal to I. Now tell me what is the value of I is? I is 1. Okay, 1. So 1 to 1, how many times it runs? One time. Therefore it will print only 1. Okay, then end of this particular for loop and slash a next line, end of this outer loop, and goes to the step. What is step? Next value is 2. 2 is less than is equal to 5. Yes, enters here. Now j again starts with 1. J is less than is equal to I. What is the I is now? 2. Means the j loop runs for 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means 2 times this for loop runs. Therefore it will print 1 and 2. Okay, so this is what happening. So based upon this particular row number, those many number of columns it is printing. Okay, again slash n, end of the for loop, again go back to steps. What the step is? I is equal to 3. 3 is less than is equal to 5. Yes, true. True, enters here. J is equal to 1, j is less than is equal to I. Tell me what the I is now? 3. 3 means this loop runs from 1 to 3. Therefore the j loop runs 1 to 3 and prints 1 to 3 numbers like this, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, when I becomes 4, it will print like this. When I becomes 5, then it is going to print like this. After that, when I becomes 6, the loop will be terminated. Okay, so this is what the program is all about. So let me show you this one. This is the program. Now I am going to write the program, please see. So what's the program is? I is equal to 1, I is less than is equal to 5, I plus plus. J is equal to 1, j is less than is equal to 5, j plus plus, and I am going to write what? J. Okay, j. So now what happens is when I run the program, see, I have not written j is less than is equal to I, please. See, I am running this, how many columns? This is what? Rows, please. This you have to understand. This is what? Rows, and this is what? Columns. So how many columns you are printing? How many columns? Exactly 5 columns you are printing. So j always prints 5 times. As a result, you will get the output like this. See, first of all, understand this one, please, first. Okay, right. Okay, this is the output here. But I should not get 5 times. See, each time it is printing 5 numbers. Each time it is printing 5 numbers. No, I don't want to print. How many columns you have to print? That columns you have to print based upon the row I. Okay, if I is equal to 1, I repeat once again, if I is equal to 1, only one column you have to print. If I becomes 2, okay, 2 columns you have to print. If I becomes 3, 3 columns you have to print. Like this, now the number of columns is what? Changing. This is a simple logic that you have to understand, please. Okay, right? This is what the output you'll get. Fine. Everybody okay? So this is how you are going to write. Now, if you want, I can give you a logic here. Another logic I can also give you. Okay. See, observe the logic. The logic I am going to explain how to do. So how you write this program means you can write the program like this, please. See. Okay. See, I am going to write, see, in first row, how many numbers are there? 1, 1, 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1. In the second row, how many are there? 1 to 2. 2. See, 1, 1, 1 to 2. Now, third row is 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Next one is 1 to 4. Next one is 1 to 5. Okay, so I am converting this particular thing into like this. This is what my logic. I am preparing the logic. See, how can you do? I am telling once again the logic. So these are starting values, these are ending values. Let's say that starting and ending values. Okay, right. Now tell me, this is what? Now tell me, please. Let me write, change the ink here. Okay, right. Now tell me, starting values are changing or ending values are changing? Ending values. So whichever the values that are changing, that you consider as I. I consider as I. So what is the I is, please? I is equal to 1 to 1 to 5. So therefore I is equal to 1, I is less than is equal to 5, I plus 1. I plus 1. So I got I loop. Okay, what I got now? I got the I loop. Okay, then how you are going to write the J loop? All this particular 5 I am going to convert into J loop. See, understand carefully, please. Now J loop. J is equal to, see the starting value right here. Starting value. What is starting value? All are ones only. Therefore 1 I write. What is the ending value? Ending value is 1 to 5 is there. 1 to 5 is there. But you have to write, instead of 1 to 5, you can write I. Okay. Now you take one row. Third row. Assume third row you take it. 1, 2, 3. Incrementing. See, 1, 2, 3. Incrementing. Therefore you write plus 1. Okay, so this is what the logic. Okay, once again I repeat, please. Once again understand. See, in the first row 1 is there. That is why 1 to 1 I have written. In the second row 1 to 2 is there. Therefore I write what? 1 to 2. In the third row 1 to 3 is there. Therefore I write what? 1 to 3. Similarly 1 to 4. 1 to 4 I wrote here. 1 to 5 means 1 to 5 I wrote. And assume that these are the starting values. These are the ending values. Means these values I am now going to convert into nested loop. Okay, these values I am going to convert into nested loops. How? That is what I am explaining now. So starting values and ending values. You see that which side values are changing. So this is ending values are changing. Therefore this ending values you consider as I. Consider as what? I. So what is I? I is equal to 1 to 5. So I is equal to 1 to 5 incremented by 1. See, I is equal to 1 to 5 incremented by 1. I wrote here. Means I got first for loop. See, I for loop I got it. Then J for loop, if you observe, these 5 rows we are going to convert into J. See, J is equal to starting value. What the starting values? Starting values are all are ones. Okay, therefore I write 1. What is the ending values? I. This is what I. I is the ending value. See, I we wrote here or not? I is equal to 1 to 5. So therefore I is the ending value of J loop. Then what is the incrementation? Third row you take and you see 1, 2, 3 incrementing. Therefore plus 1. Okay. Now using this logic, using this particular logic, now you are going to write this particular loop. Okay, so I is equal to 1 to 5 plus 1, I is equal to 1 to 5 plus 1, j is equal to 1 to I plus 1, j is equal to 1 to I plus 1. Okay, so first of all you convert this particular pattern into the logic. This logic you convert into for loops, then you will get exact answer. Okay, so follow this particular logic everybody. Okay, so here let me replace the logic, right, once again. Fine, now I am going to give you the program also, Control A, Control C. So this is what the program. So here the program is all right. Next program I am going to write here. Next program, you can see this please. Next program. What the next program is? Print. Okay. Let me change the color. Right. This is what the color. Okay. What you have to print? Right. Print. Okay. Let's say another program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now how we are going to write this pattern? Okay, let us again divide into rows and columns please. Let me explain this one, how can you do it. This is what I am going to convert rows and columns. Okay, so let's say this is the concept, right? So now this is what row order or column order. These numbers are column order only. See 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. So the column numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be J. Row numbers I can take in any sequence, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be I. Okay. Now how you are going to prepare the logic for this one? Okay. How you are going to prepare the logic? So let us prepare the logic for this one. Logic. So tell me please. First loop is what? First is what? First one 1 to 5. So I write 1 to 5. Second one is what? 1 to 4. So 1 to 4. Third one is what? 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Fourth one is what? 1 to 2. Therefore 1 to 2. Fifth one is what? 1 to 1. 1 to 1. That's it. Okay. Now I have to convert this particular thing into what? Into what? Nested loops. So these are the starting values of the for loop. These are the stop value or ending values of the for loop. Okay. Ending values of the for loop. So therefore, which side values are changing? Ending values are changing. So this I consider as I. So what is I? I is equal to 5 to 1. Okay. So 5 to 1. What is decrementing or incrementing? 5, 4, 3 to 1. Minus 1. Decrementing. Then what is the J please? J. The starting value of the J is 1. Same only. Ending value is I. Because ending values are 5 to 1. 5 to 1 means I have taken into I. So therefore I. Then take the third row and consider 1, 2, 3 means incrementing plus 1. Okay, then plus 1. I got the 1. Okay, so this is what. Now we convert this particular thing into program, right? How? Let us write the program. So I is equal to 5 to 1 minus 1. Okay, so let me write 5 to 1 minus 1. Okay, the program here I write. Okay, I is equal to, right, 5 to 1, 5 to 1. I is greater than is equal to 1. Then I minus minus. Okay, completed first one, right? 5 to 1 minus minus, right? See, 5 to 1 minus 1. Now what is J? 1 to I plus 1. Okay, 1 to I plus 1. 1 to I plus 1. That's it. We are printing the J. Okay, now I run the program. Got it? So this is the output. Very simple. Okay. So how it is running? When I is 5, 5 will be substituted here. Means 1 to 5 times it will run. And it will print 1 to 5 number. See. Okay. When I becomes 4, here it will substitute in the place of I, what it will substitute? 4. And it will print what? 1 to 4 numbers. Like this it is going to work. Okay. So this is the program please. So you have to understand how to convert into this logic. This logic is very, very important for you please. So logic is very, very important. That is what you have to notice please, right? Let me copy the program also. Control A, Control C. Okay, right, Control V. Completed. Next program that I am going to explain here. Let me explain the next program. Suppose what if I am going to write like this? What is that? Let me change the color once again. Yeah. Now print, what you have to print is print 1 2 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1. How you are going to print these numbers? Okay, this pattern how we are going to print, that is what we are going to understand, right? So what we are going to do here, it is, yeah, we are going to convert into rows and columns. Once again, same rows and columns, right? Now here I am going to write, this is what, fine, right? Write the row numbers and column numbers, please. Row and column numbers, please. Now these are row order or column order. Okay, this is row order or column order. Okay, that is what we have to understand now. Okay, so no need to write row and column order. See, you are going to get like this. Okay, so these are not present in the row order, these are present in the row order, like 1, okay, 2 1, okay, 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2 1, right? How? Let us see. First of all, prepare the logic. Prepare the logic. Okay, so these are not present in the row order or column order, please. Okay, please. Okay, so it is not present in the column order. Column in column they are not same. In the row also they are not same. So now we have to prepare the logic itself. There is no other alternative. Okay, let us get back to the logic, right? Fine. So what is that? Let us take here. What is the first row? First row contains 1 to 1. Okay. Second row is what? 2 to 1. Third row is what? 3 to 1. Fourth row is what? 4 to 1. Fifth row is what? 5 to 1. Okay, and tell me, this is the starting values, this is what? Ending values. Which side values are changing? Okay, which side values are changing? Ending values are changing. Therefore this I consider as I is equal to 1 to 1 to, okay, sorry, it's not changing. So this starting values it is changing. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So now let me write here I write here I should write I. Okay, I, what is I now here? What is I? Let me write I is equal to 1 to 5, 1 to 5 plus 1. Okay, I. So I have considered this particular thing, starting values I have taken as what? I now, not ending values. Okay, now I have to convert J loop. So I got I loop now, now J loop. What's the J loop? Starting values is J. So what is 1 to 5? What is 1 to 5? 1 to 5 we have taken into what? I. Therefore this is I, comma, ending value. What is the ending value? Ending values are all one same. So therefore I write 1. Okay, take the third row and you consider here 3 2 1. So they are decrementing by 1. So therefore minus 1. Okay, now this logic, okay, using this logic you write down the for loop. What's the for loop? I is equal to 1 to 5, j is equal to I to 1. Okay, I is equal to 1 to 5, j is equal to I to 1. Okay, same thing that I am going to write. So what is I? I is equal to 1 to 5, 1 to 5, right? Okay, j is equal to 5 to 1, 5 to 1. Okay, 5, j is greater than is equal to 1. Okay, j minus 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 minus. Okay, that's it. Print the j. Now you run the program. Okay, I is equal to 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Then j is equal to 5 to 1, 5 to 1. Okay, 5 to 1. Not sorry. J is equal to I to 1, I to 1, I to 1, I to 1, please. I to 1. Okay, let us see once again. Let us see once again. I is equal to 1 to 5. Okay, j is equal to I to 1 minus 1. So therefore I write I to 1 minus 1. Okay, minus minus. Now I run the program once again. See, you got the numbers. Is it okay? Right? So this is how we are going to develop the program. So control print screen. Let me paste here. Okay, next program. Yeah. Now these are the control A, control C. Yes, please. Here this is what control B. Okay, now you will be having some practice questions. Okay, practice questions, right? Otherwise, let me tell you some more programs also. Let me explain some more programs. Okay, sir, how you are going to print? Okay, no, practice questions only will give you, but you have to practice. Okay, let's say that practice problems. First one, see, understand carefully. First one is what? 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 5 4 3. So prepare the logic and do the programming, please. Number 2. Okay, 5 5 4 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, right, this is the program. Number 3. Number 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 1, like this. Okay, number 4. 1. Okay, let me say that okay, let's say that 5 4 5. Okay, 3 4 5, then 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. This is what you have to print. Number 5. Okay, now you have to print this one, please. 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, how you are going to write this program means this particular thing. Okay, this particular logic, how you are going to get means, see, all zeros and ones means what? Please, you have to notice this program will get 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. From this particular logic only you will get this particular thing. Okay, now to get this particular numbers, you get percentile j, you have to print it. Okay, so see, 1 means what? 1 1 1. Okay, 0 means 2 remainder is 0, 1 remainder 1, 2 remainder 0, 3 remainder 1. Reminders of this logic only, this one. Okay, so j modulus 2. Next, number 6. This also you can write, please. 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5 5 5. Okay, here you have to print what? I you have to print. You have to print what? I. Okay, now another program that we have to print, number 7. Observe 7. 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, 0 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 completed. Means this logic you have to print here. What you have to print, please? I modulus 2. I modulus 2, you are going to get the reminders. Okay, right? So this is one practice question that I am giving. This is what you have to practice. I'll give you more practice problems. Okay, more I am going to give you. See, I am going to give you more programs. Okay, now you have to print again. What you have to print is like this: 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, remember this one, please. This is nothing but k modulus 2, k loop. So this particular one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this logic, from this logic you can print this one, means reminders of this particular k modulus 2. Okay, this is the first problem. Okay, second problem. And alphabets also you can print: A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. Like this alphabets also you can write. Okay, so in any way you can write EDCBA. Okay, EDCB. Alphabets also you have to practice, please. This is what your assignment, you have to practice. Okay, right? So this is what the second level patterns we have finished with this, right? So this is what your practice problems. Fine, save it. Okay, so we'll stop over here, please.